Welcome to Antonine International School El Dequana. This video tutorial demonstrates the fundamental steps for using Microsoft Teams by students. Launch Microsoft Teams and sign in using your school email address and your password. The Activity tab on the left sidebar is the place where you can view and manage all your activity, as for example, the teacher has assigned a homework or an assignment, or has added you to a group. The Chat tab allows you to send messages or documents with a person or a team. Just type a message and click Enter. The Teams tab allows you to view, create, or join your team, for example, the Grade 1 team. The navigation bar shows the home page, the class notebook, and the class work. If you click on Assignment, you can see that a math quiz and an English homework are assigned. To access the assignment, click on it. Then click on My Work and wait. Take your time to complete the quiz. Once you are done, click on Submit and close. As per the homework, go back to Assignment, read the instructions, prepare your answers on a Microsoft Word document. Attach the document. And then hand it in. If you have anything to correct, you can simply undo hand in, remove it, do the necessary changes, and hand it again. Or you can simply take a photo and attach it. Hand in again. You can check your grades after the teacher grades your work in the Grades tab. In the General tab under Channels, you can access the files uploaded in the Class Materials tab. You can choose any document, right-click on the three dots and download it. In the Posts tab, you can also see the activities that the teacher has added. Slide to the Calendar bar to check the scheduled meetings or classes. Click on Join, allow Teams to record and access your mobile. Join now. Click on the three dots to show the different buttons, like the reaction button, like, love, applause, laugh, surprise. You can also raise your hand. You have the chat button as well. You can also turn on or off the camera and mute or unmute your microphone and use the share button. To end the call, you click on Leave and then Close. Slide to More on the three dots and choose to make a call. And at the end, make sure you have completed all the tasks. Thank you for watching. Check the playlist for more tutorials. For further assistance or information, please contact the IT department on it@ais-d.edu.lb.